Welcome back to the daily node breakdown of DaVinci Resolve Fusion. Today's node is the saver node. So working off of yesterday's node, which was the loader node, we're going to pretend that we've got hundreds of nodes here and we just need to save this out instead of having to continuously cache it and replay it. So in order to do that, we need what's called the saver node. So if we hit shift space and type in saver, we'll add a saver node. And the way the saver node works is you just need to connect it up from whatever you want to save. If I want to save all this, or if I only wanted to save that blur information, that's where you're going to connect it up. It has nothing to do with your media out or how anything is viewed in your edit page. So we're going to reconnect this to our saver node. Now within the saver node, before we look for our file name, there's a few options here. You've got options for your clipping mode, whether it's none or by frame. Leaving it on frame is fine. If you want to save your alpha to an actual color, and again, with our output color space and gamma space, you have the option to change that metadata. For your format, your depth, just remember when you're working in Fusion, it's working at 32 bits, a 32-bit float. So if you need to change that or save it in, just select what float you want to be on or leave it on auto. Your compression, whatever type of compression you want to use, if any, you can hit none. Your compression level, and then within here, what channels we're going to save out and export out as this OpenEXR. So once you have all that set up, you want to go to your file, hit browse, and we will go ahead and create a new folder. Name this test. Save it. Now once that's all set up, you go up to your Fusion tab and hit render all saves. And if you had multiple saves, it's going to render all of them all at the same time. We can go reload a loader node. We can select that file. And where do we go? Now we've got all that work we did coming straight from the file using that loader node. And you can see our playback is a lot faster. So, and just like the other loader node, you've got your channels that you can select and deselect. And that's it for the saver node. So see you tomorrow.